Look what we have here. Kaley's puppies, and they're kind of lively right now. So we'll start with the video and then I'll take pictures afterwards. Maybe they'll get a little tired and sit still on the table for pictures for me. It always seems to me that Kaley's puppies are advanced. Like, they just do things before the others. I don't know why that is. She usually has big litters too. Like last time there was only 4, but this is more normal. 7 and 8 is normal for her. So let's see if I can figure out who's who for you. I do believe this little guy right here, yep, is Riot. This is little tricolor boy. So adorable. Yeah. And then, let's see, Raven. Color both sides of head and a big spot on the back. Yep, this is her. Raven. So her coloring is mostly black, but you can see the brown hairs in there. That's little Raven. Okay, Rasta. Color both sides of head and the butt. Darker colors. This must be Rasta. Yep, little boy. This is Rasta. Got that little mark right there on his bottom. And Rogue would be this guy right here. The bigger white puppy is Rogue. And then the little female white puppy is Rosa. There's little Rosa. And then Roxanne back here. This is little Roxanne. And our one and only black and white puppy in the bunch is Rebel. Rebel. Yeah, he's a big guy. Yeah, he is. The next biggest one looks like is this guy right here. Rebel's a big boy. Yeah, aren't you, Rebel? Yeah. Say, I'm a rebel without a cause right now. So in a few days I'm going to move them out into the nursery, into a little bit bigger kennel. Yeah? What are you talking about? You're ready to see, this is what I mean. These puppies are 3 weeks old yesterday and they're ready to come out. Like, just doesn't usually happen.
3 weeks old? You're only 3 weeks old. Do you not know that? Did somebody forget to tell you you're 3 weeks old? Huh? Yeah? Did somebody forget to tell you? You're only 3 weeks old.
Look at that beautiful face. Yes. They're just all over each other, aren't they? So cute. Very mouthy. Look at that. Biting each other's mouths. And you know, in another couple weeks, teeth are going to come in. Then they're not going to like that so much. Because their teeth are like little needles.
Yes. Hello. Hello, Rasta. Hello, Rasta.
Or maybe you're the girl. Are you the girl? Yeah, you're the girl. So that's Raven.
Raven, you're noisy.
This guy sure hasn't had any trouble finding the milk, has he?
No, you're just a big bruiser. Look at you.
You're a big bruiser. Look like you're 4 weeks old, not 3. They got opinions, don't they? Rosa said, I'm trying to take a nap. Like, what's up with you guys? Rosa, come here. Come here, little baby. Are You're trying to take a nap and they're being all feisty. Oh, tell them it's nap time. Oh, she's giving me kisses. Yeah. Yes. Oh, I like that. Mwah. Yes, I'm getting kisses from little Miss Rosa. Yes. Such little cuties. This little guy's little, huh? He's a little one. I think soon he's the smallest one. Yep, he was the smallest one in the litter. Only 4.8 ounces when he was born. So he's going to be on the smaller side compared to this guy that was 7.3 ounces at birth. Is that right? Yeah, I'm talking about you, Rebel. Yeah, I'm sorry. I just am. Yeah. He's just full of himself, isn't he? All right, well, there you have Kaley's stinking adorable puppies at 3 weeks old.